Hey everybody, what's going on? Just got done working on my slot machine I just got off of Facebook Marketplace. It's a from the Sands Atlantic City, which is no longer standing. It is a Jennings machine that was manufactured in about 1980, and I managed to get my hands on it through Marketplace. 15 minutes in, it was pretty cool. So yeah, I'll show you about the machine and kind of explain what's going on. I'll flip the camera around here. So this one is cool because it's got the conventional pull lever, which a lot of people like. I'm a fan of it. It's got a locking mechanism. Of course, this one is gone, but the key feature up top here, I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. That key feature is still there as well, and I have the keys. So okay, we're gonna open up the cabinet. Again, I apologize for the not so well lit area. So we're gonna flip the switch on. This is your power switch right here. It's gonna check all the reels. It's going through its lockout check. And here you go. This is the coin mech. This comes out, you pull these two clips down, this pops out. Coin jams. So when I got this machine, virtually every light bulb in here I had to almost replace, indicating some sort of power problem, which the machine did nothing when I got it. Turned out this was problem number one. On Jennings, these boards go bad. They have a battery that rots out. Luckily, I was able to get a hold of a guy named John in Colorado, and he was able to help me with that. And then in the very back, which you can see in the very back, darkness there, you can just see a little shiny stuff. That's the power supply. That was bad too. So I had to replace those two. I do not have what I would call the most expert mechanical ability to fix these machines. But I can tell you what, with the right direction, it's pretty cool, and it's real quarters. So very happy. Got it all lit up. It's a cool machine for 1980. You know, it was right on the cusp of going full. I'm sure full on digital, which this is nice. Still has some manual motors and components. The only issue I'm still having is call attendant. That is still on. I've done the reset on the board. I've read the instruction manual upside down, backwards. And the denominations on the payouts are not correct like they are when it shows up here. If I play the single row, these payouts I found have been consistent. But once I start jumping into these other ones, these may be different. And that may be because of the board that I switched out. Now, shut this off real quick. I do have the parts out. Let me grab them here for you. I'll show you. It's bad. Again, I apologize for the poor lighting or poor anything else. This is kind of done on the quickness. Yeah, so there you go. No reset. You can't see it, but the board's all tore up. These connections on the side here, these go bad or get dirty. Pencil erasers work great for that, shining that back up. So that was good. So that was a good little pencil eraser trick guy told me. And this would be my power supply right here. This guy in the bag. Again, it clips on with another clip. So yeah, pretty cool. I read about the history of Jennings. You could find it on the wiki or whatever. Jennings slot machines. Learn a little bit about it. But yeah, that was my slot machine adventure. I recommend if you find one, try to tackle it. I did. I got one that is almost 100%, which is very exciting. And yeah, it's from Atlantic City Sands. That's no longer there. Go look that up too. That's pretty cool. But we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.